Excel hyperlink functions allow you to navigate between sheets on the same workbook or launch another workbook that's in your hard drive. Let me show you how hyperlink functions can be used. You say equal hyperlink. The first argument is your link location, where you want to navigate. I'm going to navigate B14 on the same sheet here. The sheet number is 079. And then second argument is your friendly name, which is this Amazon, which appears as the hyperlink text. So if you click on this Amazon, it goes and highlights B14 on this cell here. I'm going to apply the same formula for the remaining rows. Now if you click on pen here, what this does is that it navigates to a different sheet called sheet underscore 064 and highlights cell 4. If you click on it, you can see it goes to sheet 064 and highlights pen, which is on A4. So if you go back here, and if you want to highlight a row, you specify with the colon M wherever you want to go to, right? So if you go here, it goes A4 to M4. Let's go back here. And if you want to highlight a series of data like this, what you do is that you specify the range this way. It's going to highlight these cells on the separate sheet called sheet 064. If you click this guy here, you can see highlights in a box format. You can also launch a separate workbook and go to a specific cell on a specific sheet. Like in this example here, I'm gonna open up a workbook called tip underscore XLSX, and it's gonna go to a sheet named migrate sheet, and then after that it's gonna highlight this set of cells here. If we click on it, it has opened up another worksheet which is existing on the hard drive, and it's highlighted row A13 to E13 as specified on this cell here. You can also create some sort of like a navigation tool. Like for example, if you click this guy here, it goes to a different sheet, and you click on back, you can go back to your original sheet, and likewise another sheet. The way to do it would be somewhat similar again. Equal hyperlink. The first argument will be the sheet name 076, which is this guy here, and it's going to highlight cell A1 and that friendly text called user ID. When you go to that sheet 0761 on the back, I'm going to link it up to the sheet 079, which is the original one where it came from, and going to highlight A1, and I'm just going to put the text back as my hyperlink. When you click here, it goes back, and that's how this and this was created. You can also use the same hyperlink to send email. Hyperlink, and the first one is you're gonna have to specify mail to colon followed by the email address, comma, and a friendly name like that, which is going to be your hyperlink. When you click on it, you'll open a mail client, and then you can send email that way. You can also link up or launch your browser with the appropriate URL using hyperlink. First name will be the location. I'm going to go to Google, comma, and the friendly name will be Google like that. So if I click on Google, you'll open up Google. I'm going to use the same format for the rest of them, and click on Yahoo. Opens Yahoo here, and IBM, and so on.